So Olaf, I know nothing about quads. What is this that you're flying?
So this is the top spec 6S racing drone.
6S?
Yes.
It's basically a small drone and a very big battery underneath then?
Yes, and it is made to be robust, slipstream as you can see, and it's made to win new races.
Ah, all right. Could you give me the names of the manufacturers that you've bought those components from? Like
So,
the motors are made by who?
Motors are by iFlight,
Oh,
called XING. Then speed controller is HobbyWing,
Uh-huh.
and the frame is a Lumineer.
A Lumineer.
Yeah, and the flight controller is Aikon. And then VTX is Team Black Sheep.
Right.
Right. Should we give it a go?
Yeah, yeah. I'm excited to see how fast this thing is. I'm pretty good at filming very fast jets, but I've got a feeling after what Jason's told me that this is going to be stupid quick.
I am going to try.
All right.
To stay close and go relatively slow.
Where is it?
Is that alright?
Yeah.
I went further away so you could still have...
Yeah, that's good. Could you do a fast pass from far left to right? God, what? It's a Ferrari. Oh my God. That is insane. Oh my word. What speed was that? That's over 100.
Judging by what people with the same setup had achieved on YouTube, it would be about 90 to 100 miles per hour at least.
It looked faster, nearly twice that to me. How quick it was getting from one side of the strip to the other.
I didn't record the BVR on that.
God, that's amazing.
Let me see if the motors are not squirting hot.
I wouldn't be surprised if they were.
No.
No?
Fine. I'll have a battery.
Yeah. Do it again.
Is there some sort of plan that you have for me that I could perform? Did you manage to...
Yeah, I think I got most of that.
Yeah? How wide is your lens?
Pretty wide.
Real high punch out.
I'm not sure if I got that. What?
Come and do it.
Oh,
Okay. 3, 2, 1. What?
wow.
It's watching us. Coming down like a rocket. So, which side would you like to go? Left to right?
Well, true, one way and then the other.
Lower?
Yeah, why not? Holy cow. What?
I'm thinking of it again, and I'm across the ground.
Oh my God. how to end. Fantastic.
Oh.
So fantastic.
Oh, I need a break.
Oh. Thanks very much for that, Olaf. That was a great demo.
You're welcome, guys.
I've just got no idea they were that quick. And Jace, you've bought this, haven't you?
Yeah, in the cardboard box over there is pretty much identical setup.
Yeah,
So
it's going to be fun.
yeah.
Cool. Thanks very much.
Need a little cool down.
Yeah.
Lower?
Yeah, why not? Holy cow.